Oh no, I can't get inside. The seal blinked, confused. Where did all this stuff come from? Something strange was happening. More and more things kept appearing every single day. Far away, in the icy land of snow and shining icebergs, lived a little penguin named Penny. Penny loved to collect things: smooth pebbles, shiny shells, colorful feathers, even tiny bits of driftwood. Every day, she waddled along the frozen shore, searching for new treasures. "Ooh, this one is perfect," Penny would chirp happily. Soon, her little ice cave was filled from wall to wall with piles and piles and piles of things. But there was one strange problem. Penny never used any of them. She didn't play with the pebbles. She didn't build with the driftwood. She didn't share the shells. She only collected them and stacked them higher and higher. One very windy day, a strong icy wind began to blow across the shore. Whoosh! The snow swirled. The ice cracked loudly. Penny rushed back to her cave. But when she arrived, she stopped in shock. Her cave entrance was blocked. All the piles of treasures had tumbled down, forming a huge, messy wall. "Oh no!" Penny cried. "I can't get inside." She pushed, she pulled, but nothing moved. Just then, her friend, Luna the seal, slid over. "What happened?" Luna asked kindly. "My treasures fell," Penny sniffled. "I collected so many, but now they're in the way." Luna looked at the piles and smiled gently. "Maybe," she said, "treasures are not just for keeping. Maybe they are for using." Penny thought for a moment. She picked up a piece of driftwood. "Maybe I can use this to build a little fence," she said. So Penny and Luna worked together. They used the driftwood to make a strong wall. They used the pebbles to hold it steady. They used the shells to decorate the entrance. Soon, the cave looked better than ever. And this time, nothing fell. Penny stepped back and smiled proudly. "My treasures are finally helping me," she said. From that day on, Penny still loved collecting things. But now, she also played with them, built with them, shared them with friends. Her cave became a happy, useful place, not just a crowded one. And Penny learned something very important. Collecting things is good, but using them and sharing them makes them truly valuable.
And that's how today's little story ends. But its big lesson stays with us. Follow values and tales for more magical adventures.